Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my video is about how to grow the beetroot leaves from the cuts. Usually you can use the bottom portion of the beetroot and trash the top portion. Today I am going to show how to use the top portion and regrow the beetroot leaves. Let's see how to do it. Cut the top portion of the beetroot leaving off a inch. Fill water in a tray or a cup and place the cut portion into the water. Keep the tray in a sunny spot. You can also grow beet leaves in coconut shell filled with water or a small tray filled with potting soil. If you want to grow beetroot leaves in water, you need to change the water in every 2 days to control the bacterial growth. So for my convenience, I transfer the beets into the grow bag filled with potting soil. You can also grow the beets directly into the grow bag. Don't keep the grow bag in direct sunlight and also sprinkle some water on top of the beet daily. This is the second week. You can see the leaves are coming up. Now we are in the fourth week. See the size and color of the leaves. If you harvest the bigger leaves, the small leaves will shoot up. For taking video purpose, I will not harvest the leaves. You can harvest now and then and use in salads, milkshakes and soups. You can see the small shoots are coming up. Without much care and minimal maintenance, you can grow in a small tray also. To maintain the space, I just transfer all the beets into a single grow bag. Now it's time to harvest the leaves. Don't pluck or pull the leaves. Gently cut the leaves with the help of a scissor and the leaves will regrow again. My next video is about healthy beetroot leaf soup. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.